how to turn off your chat vibrate notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off vibrate on your chat notifications. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your conversation on Signal. Click on your Signal application and choose one of your conversation. For example, I choose this group and click on my profile up there. Now all I need to do is click on sound and notifications, and now you have custom notifications. The first thing, make sure to turn on use custom notifications, because if this option is off you can't turn off vibrate. Now click on it and turn off vibrate, and this is it. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video don't forget to subscribe and like.